Making 3D text is probably one of the first things people try in Blender. In this video, I'll show you how to do it. Hi everyone! Today, we are going to create some 3D text, so let's get started. First, go to the Add menu and choose Text. A text object that says text will appear. Press Tab to enter edit mode, and you can type in any text you like. Let's move it up a little so we can see it better. OK. On the right side of the screen, select the Object Data Properties, the one with the A icon. Here, you can change the font, text resolution, and something else too. Open the Geometry drop-down. You'll find a section called Extrude. Increasing this value will give thickness to the text. Now, we've got our basic 3D text. You might also want to round off the edges of it. Inside the same Geometry section, there's Bevel option. You can use it to add some roundness, but there's something to keep in mind. As you increase the value, the bevel expands outward, and in some areas it can overlap with itself. We'll cover how to create inner bevels clearly after converting to a mesh in another video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.